Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to troubleshoot file uploads not working during a Claude session. So I've got Claude open here as you can see, and let's just go ahead and check whether my file upload is currently working. I'm going to click on the plus button. I'm going to click on add files or photos. Then I'm just going to navigate to the file that I would like to upload. So as you can see, it works without a problem right now, and I can type a prompt using this upload and I can do whatever it is I want. But to start troubleshooting any possible solutions about why it's not working, let's go ahead and open up a new tab and search for Claude status. So as you can see, there's this neat website provided by Claude called status.claude.com, and this shows any outages or downtimes in the Claude service. So as you can see right now, Claude AI is completely operational. So you're going to see some outages like these ones. These are partial outages where certain features may become unavailable. And if you're having any problems with uploads, you can go ahead and check this website just to make sure the problem is not on your end and is on Claude's end. In situations like those, the most you can really do is just wait until the service is back to a operational status and until they resolve the issue. But if you do that and it's operational and it still doesn't work, then you can move on to the next step. So the next step you're going to want to do is just to make sure.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish AI tutorials regularly, helping you guys to learn and to use the latest AI tutorials. And so if you're finding these videos helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when we release future videos to come. Now let's continue.
Your internet is properly connected and functional. You should be able to tell here in your taskbar, the right hand side of your taskbar, you should see this internet icon. So as you can see right now, it says internet access. So there may be times where it says connected but no internet, and that means that the problem is on your Wi-Fi's end. You can go ahead and restart your router, etc., etc. The last thing you can do if the other two options check out is to go to your browser settings. Just go ahead and click on the menu at the top right of your screen, click on settings, and then type in browsing data. You should see this option, delete browsing data. You can go ahead and clear it. And what this does is you should be able to load a fresh new version or website the next time you load into Claude after deleting your browsing data. So sometimes there may be a few issues with your browser, like something isn't properly configured, or you're using an older version of your web browser. You can go ahead and update that and clear the cache and browsing data. And what this does is it will completely reset the site settings that are saved on your browser locally. So once that's done, you should be able to try it again. And hopefully at that point, it starts working. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to help you and to fix your problem. And I hope I was able to teach you something new. In any case, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and hope to see you again.